Hello. I created WineLayer because running Windows app on Linux is still way harder than it should be. It sits on top of Wine and handles everything for you: installation, dependencies, and even crash fixing, all through a regular desktop UI. No terminal, no config files, no Wine knowledge required. Just install and run. To install this software, you have to visit the GitHub repo and copy the install in one command, the curl command, and paste it in your Linux terminal. After you paste it in your Linux terminal, it will start downloading automatically. It will check for all dependencies and will install automatically, and your software will be running. And after running your software, you have to choose one exe file from your local machine. So I have already installed one exe file for the software Notepad++. It's a very famous software. You might have already used it. I have chose this software and started the installation process. It might take some time depending on your machine configuration. It works slow for me because I am running this on a virtual machine. So as you can see, the normal setup like Windows, it's running on a Linux machine. So the software is working fine. So as you can see, the installation has progressed normally and software is installed. So this is the Windows exe file running on a Linux machine. As you can see, it's working properly. And one more thing, the shortcut of the downloaded software will be created automatically on the desktop, as you can see, and you can directly open with the help on double clicking on the desktop file. Thank you.